Hiding the author's initials. For a cleaner, more professional look, it is recommended to hide the author's initials. These initials are small identifiers next to edits or content created by different users in a shared notebook. Here's how to remove them. Click either View or History on the top ribbon depending on your version of OneNote. Find the option Hide Authors and click on it. This will remove the author's initials from all text boxes, enhancing the overall appearance of the planner. This concludes the installation process using OneNote native 1pkg file, which should be used by Windows users with any version of OneNote for desktop and OneNote as a part of an Office subscription. Remember that for OneNote for Windows 10 users, you will need to either install another version of OneNote, if this was the only version available on your PC, or use the Importer method. For further details on installing the planner using Importer method, please watch our video for Mac users. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section or email us directly. Thank you for watching.